IVMcontrol is an application that is connecting to your vCenter or ESX host, and it allows you to manage, configure, and uh, monitor your VMs as well as your hosts. So on startup, it will try to connect to pre-configured vCenter if you configured anything. Otherwise, it will allow you to um, type the IP address or name of your server, username and password, domain if you have one, a timeout for the SOAP requests that are sent, if you want to use HTTPS or HTTP. And if you cannot connect, like in this case, you are going to get an error over here, and the connection state is disconnected, and all your tabs are pretty much not going to show you anything. However, if you do have a valid connection, so if we press connect right now, it will connect to the vCenter and it will automatically go to the host tab, where you can see all the hosts present for that particular vCenter. In this case, all of them have IP addresses as name. You can check one of the hosts. It will give you more information about the type of computer, model, CPU type, usage. You can list all the VMs that are on that particular host, which will send you to the VM tab, which I'll cover later. So I'll go back to the host tab. You can perform actions on this host, like enter maintenance mode, exit maintenance mode, reboot, disconnect, reconnect. You can list all the most recent events for this host or all the most recent tasks for this host. On the VM tab, if no host is selected, it's going to show all the possible hosts that are on that vCenter. As long as with some information about the state of the machine, the OS that is running, and if the VM is running or not. If you click on a particular VM, more details about that VM are going to be shown, and the same type of information is on the bottom. So you can go back to the host where this VM is hosted. You can power on, power off, or suspend this VM. You can show which are the latest events that are on this particular VM. So if we click on events, for this particular one there are no recent events. And you had also the tasks. So now if I go back and I click on events, it's going to show all the events that were on that particular vCenter. So if any object is selected, the events are going to be shown only for that particular object. If no object is selected, all the latest events are going to be shown. And finally, there is a task button, which will show all the latest tasks that were performed on this particular vCenter. The state, like this one is in progress, this one are completed, this one has failed. You can also click on a particular task. Nothing happens in this case. For the events though, if you click on an event, you can figure out some more details about the event. And that's about it.